Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is a quick little update on Shelly, my daughter's turtle. We've upgraded Shelly to a larger tank slightly, and now Shelly has a lot more room to swim around. Man, I swear this turtle is always looking for something to eat. Every time I'm over here or I walk by or anything, it swims towards the glass like this. Waiting, it's always thinking that I'm gonna feed it. I do feed it most of the times, and this turtle eats a lot, man, but it's not growing fast as I would think it would be growing, given how much it eats. But Shelly's been chilling. I've been chilling. I have a few things to show you guys. I haven't been putting out a lot of content, and I apologize for that. I've been really busy with other things, but I have been getting some RC time in, and I have been still getting new stuff. So I got something to show you guys today, and we're gonna have a little RC fun as well. Not gonna feed Shelly this time, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is my Arrma Typhon 3S brushless 1/8 scale buggy, version 3. And so the version 3 comes with a lot of new features. I'm going to try to run down some of the new features for you guys that I can remember. What it has a new Spectrum motor in here. It has a new spacing here. There's more space to help with rocks getting stuck. So these new gunmetal wheels are new. The tires are now vented tires, so if water gets in the tires, there's holes spaced around the middle of the tires here, so the force of the tires spinning will make the water squirt out if any water gets inside the tires. So that's new. This thing has silicone O-rings on the shocks there to help with oil leakage. It does have oil filled shocks. And also this guy has the slipper clutch now has a castellated slipper clutch, and so that I think they're talking about the texture of the slipper clutch pad. And so also the sliding motor mount is new. Let's see what else this thing has new. Oh, the bearings in here are all rubber sealed now, so rubber sealed bearings throughout this thing. And let me see if I can remember anything else that's new. I said the motor is new. Oh, the power system is new now. So it has a new power system. It has a newer radio now, a different radio. I think, yeah, they had a radio for each version. So there's 3 different radio types for this thing, but it has a new radio nevertheless. And there's something else. I know I'm probably forgetting something else. But this thing has a lot of new features and all. It does claim to be a 1/8 scale buggy. I have heard people saying that this is a 1/10 scale, saying it's not really a true 1/8 scale. So I brought some of my other vehicles out here. I disagree. I think this is truly a 1/8 scale buggy. This is my 1/8 scale ZD Racing monster truck, and look at the size comparison. It's definitely longer than that monster truck, and it's definitely a 1/8 scale buggy. This is my 1/10 scale back there, and so you can see this Typhon 3S is definitely bigger than that. And that's the little Rollarlo buggy here. It does look like it copied the Typhon. This thing does look like a baby Typhon, even down to the wheels. Check it out. The wheels are very similar in design and all. Even the wing in the back. But anyhow, I have been running this guy, having fun with it. I apologize, I haven't been putting a lot of content out, but hopefully that will change now. I'm going to take this guy out and run it for you guys, let you guys see it running. I have been running it already. As you can see, the wheel, it's not brand new. I have been running it and all, and this thing is fast. It's awesome. It's just a real fun buggy to ride around. And so this is my favorite of all the other ones that I have. This is the first Arrma that I have, and I have been running it with this. With these, I have two of these. One is inside, and so this is a RC LiPo 80C 5,500 milliamp hour 3S. It's a soft pack. It's not really a hard pack, but it's awesome. It's been really good with this Typhon, and so let's take this guy out and I'll run it for you, let you guys see how fast it is and all. I don't have a GPS to officially clock the speed or anything like that, but we're just going to do an eye test and let you guys see how fast this guy runs. I was thinking about putting my phone in here, but my phone is probably too big and too heavy to fit in here. I actually have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 now, and that phone is really, really heavy. It's really thick too. I doubt if it'll be able to fit inside this thing. But let's get this guy out there so we can run it. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys the inside underneath the hood. So we're going to take the body cover off, and I actually need to turn this guy on as well. So this is a nice touch here. The fact that these body clips are tethered to the body cover. So this is what she looks like inside. I've seen this ESC actually mounted here before. I saw somebody mount it there. And so everything is fan cooled. There's a motor sink here and a fan on top of that to keep the motor cool. And we have a fan on top of this ESC here as well. And so everything is awesome. It's set up pretty awesome. Only thing that I can say is that this little battery space here is limited by these little clips here. I don't know if you can take these clips off. I think you can actually, because on the bottom there are some screws on the bottom there, so you can actually screw those out and have a larger space for a larger battery. But I don't have any batteries that big for now. Well, actually I do have some batteries in hard case that would probably benefit from not having those things there. I think they don't fit if I don't remove those. But anyhow, we're gonna run this guy. On and off switch is here. I think this guy is waterproof. And so let's get the body cover back on and get this guy running. This is the only space that I can think of with a long enough runway for us to look at this guy go fast, because this thing is pretty fast. So let's get this back on and check it out. Okay, so I got 100% speed on here. This thing's fast, man. This is top speed here. I have to slam on the brakes as soon as I get to myself because this thing will blow past me. I did hit that bump up there and slammed into that metal roadblock there, and it hit the top of the body, and this guy is still unscathed. There's barely enough room for this guy. Sheesh. It doesn't really lift up on wheelies. I think it's too heavy in this environment that it's running on. It's fairly dusty. And so there's a lot of slippage when I slam on the throttle. So the wheels are spinning and it's not going to pop a wheelie. Pretty sure if I got this thing out in an off-road environment that it's going to be popping wheelies and everything. Tons of power in it. I have run it on 2S too. It's fast on 2S as well. There's a little bump down there. Gotta be careful with that. Let's do top speed real quick. That was full throttle. Oh, and big old bump right there. I hit that speed bump and I didn't give it throttle. If I would have given it throttle, it would have stayed upright. I tried to stop it though. That speed bump is actually new. They just installed that like maybe a month ago. So I gotta be careful. I'm hitting that speed bump there. And when I hit it, I gotta make sure I give it throttle so it doesn't flip over. Another thing, this thing rarely flips over. I could be going top speed and do a turn and it'll stay upright still. Hopefully my angles are okay to capture this guy when it's flying past. Oops. Full throttle. We will ask him. So that's the Arrma Typhon 3S 1/8 scale buggy, guys. Version 3. And this thing is awesome. Thanks for watching.